Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification bell icon and like my video. 10 years ago, Syrians decided to march on the streets and ushered in the Syrian chapter of the Arab Spring. They protested against the political repression that had become a norm under the Ba'ath party, but also demanded jobs, an end to corruption, and better lives. A decade later, half of Syria's population is displaced. The economic crisis is at its worst. Large swathes of the country have been destroyed, and the country is split. Western countries at first anticipated that the Syrian people might overthrow the government, as had been witnessed in Tunisia and Egypt. The army backs him to the hilt. A senior official with R&AW said about Assad's current position, Russia can't and wouldn't let Assad fall. He noted, presently, Putin did intervene militarily in Syria in 2015 on Assad's behalf and turned the tide of the war in favor of stumbling president. America's retreat from the Middle East proved to be just as responsible for Assad's victory in the war as Russia's military intervention. President Obama inherited his predecessor Bush forever wars in Afghanistan and Iraq and promised to end those not enter new conflicts. In short, Russia has benefited the most from the Syrian war since Obama's reticence to intervene militarily. It made room for Moscow in the region and gave it a foothold in the Mediterranean. 10 years later, it is clear that the Syrian people on all sides lost the war, but Russia won all fronts, militarily, strategically, and in time, perhaps economically, as and when it plays a role in rebuilding a country that its own bombs destroyed. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification bell icon and like my video.